Welcome to the 47th Biggin Hill International Airfair 2009. I'm Brendan O'Brien. I'm going to be commentating at the show. We have a superb lineup of aircraft, the most wonderful weather you could imagine, and a capacity crowd. So let's fly. The first big air show of the year, and one of the biggest on the air show circuit, takes place at Biggin Hill in Kent, the historic Battle of Britain fighter base, and now a busy executive airport and private flying centre. Red Arrow's displays are probably the biggest reason why young people want to join the RAF, and that's the Reds' link with Biggin Hill, which was the headquarters for the RAF aircrew selection and recruitment for many years after the end of its aircraft operations.
So fingers and ears, ladies and gentlemen, for the 2009 Red Arrows. The team led there in the left-hand bird by Wing Commander Jace Walker, known as the Boss.
It's easy to watch the perfection of a Red Arrow's performance and forget the immense skills needed to mount this display. There have been accidents. 4 pilots were killed in January 1971 in a mid-air collision, and another 2 killed in March 1978 when their aircraft struck the runway. Lessons are always learnt, and the intensive training system now established builds up skills over the winter months. 3 new pilots join the team each year, drawn from fast jet frontline squadrons. They are trained for one particular position in the formation, moving on to the more demanding positions in subsequent years. Next year we will see the first ever female Red Arrows pilot.
This manoeuvre is called the Python, named after the snake. And you can see the coils in the sky in your mind's eye. If you really try, you can do it. Now, most people who want to see operational service, some of careers, if they are likely to before they leave. And that's the nature of...
The signature Vixen break that closes the show is the signal for well-deserved applause for what can only be described as éclat, the team motto which means brilliance.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of the show.
It's probably fair to say that Richard Branson's Virgin Group has become a much-loved British institution, and the seal of official approval has to be a formation flyby with the Red Arrows. Virgin Atlantic is celebrating 25 years of operation, and their Boeing 747-400, aptly named Birthday Girl, has the honour of leading the formation. The Model 400 of the pioneering 747 series is the latest and best-selling model from Boeing. It's bigger than its predecessors. The extended upper deck is the most obvious giveaway, and it features a state-of-the-art glass cockpit, has a range of over 10,000 miles, and just about every airline operating long-distance routes uses one variant or another. What that means for the fare-paying folks like us is cheap air travel.